Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Norbrook. We're actually on Benston Avenue now in Norbrook. Norbrook is one of the upper income areas in Jamaica. It's among the top 5 neighborhoods in Jamaica. Has some very nice homes, very expensive homes, quiet area, low crime. Very nice area. So we're on Benston Avenue. As you can see, the homes are well maintained. The roads actually are not that bad compared to some other areas. Here we're coming up to the intersection of Benston Terrace and Norbrook Drive. So we just turned right onto Norbrook Drive and we're heading towards Manor Park. If we had turned left, we would be heading towards Oliver Road or the Sharpwood area. The hill you see straight ahead, that's Norbrook Hills. On the right is a complex that was built by the NHT. That yellow and white wall is a complex. Okay, at this intersection, if you turn right, you would go up to Norbrook Hill. But we're going to keep going straight and stay on Norbrook Drive. As you can see, they have a lot of construction going on this road. A lot of apartment complexes. Anywhere you see those zinc fences, it's a new complex going up. On the left is Constant Spring Golf Club. You don't enter from here, but you can see the course through that gate. We're going to turn right onto Norbrook Crescent. If we continued straight, we would end up in Manor Park. But we're going to stay in the Norbrook area. So this is Norbrook Crescent. so we just turn right back onto Norbrook Drive and we're heading towards Manor Park. Okay, so we're now coming up onto Constant Spring Road, and this is the Manor Park area.